In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable auto responses for common questions in your subreddit. We're going to use Reddit's built-in auto moderator tool to automatically reply when people ask the same questions over and over, like how to post. This saves you time as a moderator and gives your community faster, clearer answers. First, go to your subreddit while you're logged into the moderator account. On the right-hand side, or in the Community Tools area, look for the option labeled Mod Tools and click it. This is where all your moderation settings live. Once you're inside Mod Tools, scroll until you find Auto Moderator. The wording or placement might vary slightly depending on Reddit's current layout, but you're looking specifically for Auto Moderator settings. When you see Auto Moderator, click Edit Config. This opens the configuration file where all your rules live. It might look a bit technical at first, but we're only adding one simple rule. Now you're going to add an auto response rule. Think of this as telling auto moderator, when someone comments something like this, reply with that. Scroll to the bottom of the existing configuration or to an empty section and get ready to paste a new rule. Here's the rule you'll want to add. It should look like this. Type, comment body, includes lowercase. How to post, how do I post, posting guide. Comment, hi there, it looks like you're asking how to post. Here's a quick guide. Click create post. Choose post type, text, image, link, add a title and content, click post. You can also check our full guide here. Link. If this didn't answer your question, feel free to ask again. Let's quickly break down what this means. The type comment line tells auto moderator to watch user comments, not posts. The body includes lowercase part means it will look at the comment text, convert it to lowercase, and check if it contains any of the phrases listed like how to post or posting guide. If it finds one of those phrases, it will post the reply you see under comment. Make sure the formatting is exactly as shown with the comment text indented properly under the comment line. Once you've pasted your rule into the config, scroll down and save your changes. After saving, your auto moderator will automatically respond whenever someone comments with one of those common how to post questions